So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that the dominance of sellers is still going on. In the morning, gold tested the support of 4480. If you have been watching my videos, we have discussed about the support of 4480 or around 4480. Plenty of time. Okay, if you have taken any trade around 4480, I believe you made some good money. Anyways, right now gold is trading above 4500. Okay, so does it mean that gold is going for trend reversal? Well, the answer is no, because we can still see the structure of the market is not positive and gold is forming lower lows here. And as you all know, the direction of the market is determined by the fundamentals. Okay, it doesn't matter what the indicators are saying, or market structure is telling us. Okay, it's all about the fundamentals. And right now, the fundamentals are also not in favor of gold. So as a result, the dominance of sellers may still go on for the next few days. So when are the trading opportunities then, my dear friends? Okay, if you're a day trader, then you can look for a sell position below 4480, because there's a high chance that market will consolidate around this area during the day, and at one point a big drop may come. I'm not saying that market will go down and down and down. No, at least as a scalper we can look for at least one good red candle, okay, and it will be enough for us. Okay, so if market drops below 4480, we can look for a sell position below it. And where is the next support then? Well, there is no immediate support. You can see the next best support on the chart of gold is around 4400, the dotted line, and it's a round number, that's why we are considering it. Otherwise, technically 4350 is the next best support. So my dear friends, if gold breaks 4480, okay, the next support is around 4400. Okay, and if market goes for further downside, then 4350 is the best support. So as of now, okay, sellers are dominating, so we are expecting more downside to it. So if market takes support around 4350 or 4400, as a day trader, we can look for a temporary bounce. Again, we are not looking for trend reversals here, because we are retail traders. Okay, we do not have the capacity and knowledge to predict the market. But if market takes support around these two levels, we can look for a buy position. Okay, so sell below 4480. Okay, if market drops heavily after consolidation plays a very crucial role. Okay, always remember. And if market takes support on 4400, 4350, we can look for a buy position. Okay, so my dear friends, see, gold may also try to recover. So if market breaks 4 5 6 5 6 7 during the day, okay, then also there is a possibility that buyers may try to come up. So but here is a big risk. Why big risk? Because the structure of the market is not positive. See, listen to me carefully and try to understand the logic here. Okay, the structure of the market is not positive. The fundamentals are not in our favor. Okay, so if market tries to recover, also there is a possibility that market may drop. So 4565 to 4560, around this particular zone, market may go for some SL hunting or liquidity sweep. So during the day, if market goes up, also do not buy blindly. If market drops, you can look for a sell below 4565, means after liquidity sweep. And if you are planning to buy, then I will suggest you to buy when the same level will become the new support, means buy at pullback, means when 456560 will become the new support, means the previous resistance will become the new support. There you can look for a buy position at pullback. You can see I have also drawn two lines here. Okay, so these are minor selling opportunities on the chart of gold. So during the day, if gold goes up and shows price rejection from above, as a day trader, we can look for sell opportunity around these two areas as well. So this is the chart of gold right now. Though we have a little dominance of sellers, so we are looking for mostly sell opportunities. But we are day traders, so I won't say that blindly go for buy and sell. Okay, if anything changes during the day, you also need to change your mindset. because flexibility is very important for us. Again repeating, if market consolidates around 4500, 4480, then we can expect a drop. Without consolidation, do not trust the drop. Okay, after consolidation, if market drops, we can look for a sell below 4480. If market takes support around 4400 or 4350, we can look for a buy position. During the day, if market tries to recover, we can look for a liquidity sweep around 4565. After liquidity sweep, when market is coming down, we can look for a sell position. And if you're planning to buy, okay, then it will be better for us to buy at pullback when the same level will become the new support. And if market goes up, we can look for a sell position around 4620, 464050. If market shows price rejection from above, do not trade blindly. Do not be a gambler. Okay. As of now, these are the only trading opportunities that I could see on the chart of gold right now. The direction of the market is not much clear to us, but yeah, there is a possibility that market may show further downside. If market breaks this particular support zone, then things will be very crucial. Okay, let's wait and watch. Time will speak. If you're still not a part of our free Telegram community, feel free to join. If anything crazy happens, you'll get an update there. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.